Hey, this is Kevin Bees, director of basicbananas.com, and I'm excited today to tell you about one of my favorite AI tools, something that I use every single day. I use this more than ChatGPT, and I save an absolute heap of time using it. And the tool is called WisprFlow.org, and it's a voice to text tool. Now, I'd like you to consider this. If you spend any time in the office, maybe you're in the office 6 to 8 hours a day, a big chunk of that time is going to be typing on your keyboard. Now, most people will probably type at a rate of maybe 40 to 50 words per minute, maybe a little bit faster, but most people can speak at 3 to 4 times as fast as that. So if you were to replace all that typing with speaking, how many hours could you save every day? And I want to give you a quick example of how it works, because all I have to do is press my function key here and I start speaking and it types for me. So, hey Kevin, I'd love to tell you about a tool called WisprFlow.org. Are you free to speak about it? Okay, and it puts that in. I'd love to say about a tool called WisprFlow. Are you free to speak about it? And then I don't like the way that's done, so I want to put that together and .org, because that's what I was talking about. Okay, now normally when you correct things in here, it updates a dictionary, so next time you say that thing, it will do it again. So for example, when I was messaging my colleague Francisca, it didn't spell her name correctly the first time, but once I corrected it in the body of this email, it added to the dictionary, so it gets that right in future and it learns as we go. Now what I want you to see is that it doesn't just necessarily transcribe things word for word, it actually takes the meaning that you were giving and puts that in instead. So if I said something like, hey Kevin, would you be free to meet on Wednesday at 2 o'clock? 3 o'clock. No, 5 o'clock. Wednesday at 5 o'clock. And what you can see is actually said, would you be free to meet Wednesday at 5 o'clock? So it cut out all of the error I was making in my speech and it's fixed it up for me. And that's it, and that's done. Now, the important thing about this is you can use this anywhere you would type. You can use this. It follows you around. So if you want to give dictation notes into your CRM or into notes or into emails or into text messages or into your WhatsApp, great, you can do that. And if you have an iOS device, you can also have it on your phone. Saves me a heap of time when I'm out and about and I don't really have time to type a response to someone, but I can speak it in and it's done and it sends. So that's WisprFlow.org. My encouragement is for you to go across to the site here. Just type in WisprFlow.org and it will bring you here. And you will get to do a free trial and see how it works. So yeah, I look forward to seeing how you go with that. And I'm excited to see you in a future masterclass. This is just one of many products that we can tell you about. We're so excited about. There's something like 45,000 different AI tools right now, and our team has done an amazing job. We've got 7 researchers we're tapped into. We've been going through this thoroughly over the last 3 years, and we boiled it down to the 100 devices that are most relevant for small to medium-sized business owners. And I can't wait to show you the others, because this one's just scratching the surface of the amount of time we can save you and the amount of attention you can get once you start using some of these marketing tools as well. Okay, I look forward to seeing you on a future call.